quick breakdown as to what I see, where I think we're going to be heading to, and yeah, what the market's really giving us right now, and what I expect for us to happen. So basically, right now we displaced the downside overnight. Embers is 4-hour, created a 4-hour BPR now. Came up, tapped it again, but we're respecting midnight level. And usually Mondays and whatnot, usually early throughout the week, we respect midnight level for buys really well. But we also have Asia and London low, Asia and London high stacked up here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 levels of liquidity. And if we look at the daily, we are yet to fill in the equilibrium of this entire leg up. So I'm really expecting us to like just shred through all of this eventually this week. But the weekly looks bullish now, which is why I'm expecting us to come down to the 50% of that week, or even here within this 15-minute gap. Now there's daily gaps lined up all across this now. We have one daily gap here, another one here. I want us to come and reach into this discount one, the second one. We're able to reach into this one and then find movement up, then I'll be happy with that. So right now my bias is for us to really just, I'm leaning more towards filling the gaps that we left from last week. Right now there's an hourly gap that we're respecting right here. Super trend is showing me bearish. So I really just want the market to open and just to lead us lower, which I think is what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna tone into the 5-minute. 15-minute went inverse, but it's also like, look, we have this 15-minute gap right here, went inverse, but it like instantly respected it. So realistically speaking, I want to see us just shred all the way and just ignore everything, which is what's happening right now. But I want it to, shite. I want to see another retap of this 1 hour. ES is also following, which I like a lot. Alright, so let's go into the 5-minute charts. ES has so much relative equal lows that need to be swept here. Same as NQ. Alright, so I'm gonna listen to BJ and, well, I'm gonna listen to gains for some bookmap levels right now. We do have red folder news at 10 p.m. It's PMI, so I don't really know how PMI is gonna treat us today. Usually never is super crazy volatile, but we'll see how it goes. I kinda could wait for the first 15 or the first 5 minutes to close. I think I'm gonna wait for the first 5 minutes to close, and then from there, just see what direction this leads us, because super trend is giving me bearish on the 5 and the 15-minute. But I really want to see like strong closures, because right now these wicks are not very convincing. Because we also have relative equal highs up here stacked with session highs. So this draw liquidity is super strong right now. Yeah, we're also delivering after sweeping. So market opened overnight. We swept previous week Friday highs right here, and we just dumped from there. And we respected a 1 hour gap, and the daily gap is still being respected. Technically, still being respected on both time frames. So right now we're like a bit in an accumulation zone here. Like I want to see a big displacement towards one direction, breakthrough. Because this is still like a wide gap. Let's see how many points this accumulation zone is. It's like 200, 300 points. 150. Okay, yeah, so if we manipulate high, 80, 100 points, and look for a move down, points. That would be really, really nice. But again, everything can change because now the 5-minute is giving me a bullish buy zone. So let's wait how the first 5-minute closes again. Have to wait. We have to wait. Plus it's 9 o'clock too, because if we're respecting this hourly on 9 o'clock, then look, we have a lot of LR built up here. There should be like a 1-minute entry somewhere, bro. Alright, so let's wait and see. Oh shit, SMT here. Could be disrespected though, but there is an SMT there. Alright, let's listen to Keynes. Keynes is cool. Wait. Yeah, I think we're just gonna dump low key. I want market open, manipulate us, fume. Alright, let's wait and see. A 5-minute close is a bit more convincing now. Okay, strong candle, strong candle. Let's see if we leave a gap. Right now it's still too early. Uh-oh. If we get the sissy down here, it might be convincing. If we get chain stain delivery down here, it could be convincing. Respect this 5-minute too. You know what? I might take this on alpha. Taking this on alpha. For the recent lows. Taking out an alpha on the recent lows. Just because it's still so early. Yeah, I think I'm targeting on the recent lows. Recent buy side lows here. Not break even. Never mind. It just swept it, now it's buying up higher. Okay, break even. Let's see if this first 5-minute gets inversed here. this is perfect. We kind of got like a nice sweep. Okay, I'm gonna add this trade. I was in longs, but it didn't displace enough for me there. Again, let's just wait. Let's just wait. Boom, perfect. Now we broke out. Cyclos. I think we're just gonna break out higher. We inverse the 5-minute gap. Boom, 5-minute BPR created here. I think we're just gonna go up high to Asia. 333. Yeah, we inversed the 5-minute, tapped the 1-minute gap now. I'm bullish on this sweep of the sessions. I'm in on alpha till the highs, till 42. Alright, I'm in this long on both top step and alpha. To session highs. I'm targeting session highs. In the 4-hour PPR. Well, inversed. Yeah, I want those session highs now. I need stronger displacement. These displacement candles are not good enough yet. The volume isn't strong enough. December PA, man. That's a nice pullback. Well done. Alright, cool. I'm break even on alpha, so I'll get rid of that screen. We swept. Boom. Out. Break even. Break even on both. Well, not on both. Break even on alpha. Stopped out. Top step, so I'm gonna wait. Gap just got tagged. We're gonna have a 5-minute coming in soon. How do we just... Could this have been the manipulation? I'm still not confident in this market. I haven't had good displacement yet. Like the 5-minute is still super chop. We need to break out something. Okay, perfect. Now we're at midnight level. Now let's see what we do at midnight level. Boom. Now we swept at relatively good lows. Alright, let's be patient. Yep, be patient. We tap midnight and respected a 5-minute gap. I don't know. Things aren't aligned here. We got SMTs at highs, internals. Need to see stronger closure. We still have relatively good lows on there. I need to see a 5-minute sissy. I believe it. I don't want to slam it. We're still at midnight. Okay, yeah. Now we're going. 30-second pullback and I'm in there. That was a nice displacement now. Yep, 5 minute going inverse now over here. Boom, and now I'm gonna hold this for a while now. I think we are actually gonna dump now. 15-minute displaced well. 15-minute candle is gonna be closing below. We kind of tapped into 15-minute BPR. I'm out of that trade actually because we did sweep. We didn't sweep London, we swept internal lows. But it wasn't a strong displacement. I don't like the zone. What a weird zone. We're not displacing into any direction. I don't like this. Yeah, there we go. Now we're displacing higher. Just sweeping internal lows. Barely sweeping internal lows though. I want to slam this shit. I'm gonna slam it to session highs now. Now I'm in long to session highs. I need to see this go inverse now. There's a 1 minute gap here that I want to go inverse. I see this 1 minute go inverse here, then this is easily hitting. After the sweep of this, I'm going to break even. I'm in right here. I need to see this go inverse. We V-shaped well after sweeping internals down here. Wonderful, let's go. Yes, well done, keep printing. Well done, keep printing, break even now. Till session highs, I'm in till session highs. Close my position actually. Full TP around here. 340. Still down 230 for the day, but like it's not too bad. We're still in this 4 hour. But right now it's like straight chop central. This is still extremely choppy for me. Because gains had level at 300s as a nice strong rejection zone, and this is that internal 4 hour. It's this 4 hour BPR now. Again, well, let's go to 4 hour here. No, SMTs are 5 minute. Yeah, SMTs at session highs. SMT's here and SMT's here. So we got SMT's here and SMT's here. Which one's gonna be respected? It's a weird zone until news comes on. News comes on 10. I'm in long against the session highs. This looks way too strong not to hit session highs now. Yeah, it looks way too strong to not hit session highs. Wonderful. We swept this and just instantly rejected. I don't know how I feel about that. I need to see this 1 minute close super strong. And I need to see those sessions. This SMT is going to be respected because it's aligned with midnight level. And we swept on NQ. Into the session. Into session highs now, come on. Let's go, let's respect the SMTs. Yeah, it's well done. Keep peeking. I'm out of that position. These shits are moving too slow right now. Out of that. Cause look, we had multiple sweep. I'm gonna just wait now. Slow volume, very low volume and slow. I'm down 180 right now for the day. This is very slow though. Here. Okay, yeah, we're gonna tap it. News coming out soon in 5. I want to see the sweep of these sessions though. Well done, keep sweeping. Oh no. JK. Thing is that 344 is the top of the hourly gap. So after we sweep this, we could look for any type of reversals from here. I could potentially just print to something lower. Wonderful. Now we got the sweep. This is wonderful. Because if we look at the 5-minute, look at all this chop. This is straight accumulation, manipulation. Now we're gonna distribute. Even a distribution like to there, but like if we respect that, then I really can't do much about it. Alright, perfect. We're touching equilibrium of the leg down right now. Equilibrium just got tagged. CE is gonna get tagged next, aligned with the daily CE, so we could start looking for. We're gonna wait for news to. Now do we inverse this entire leg up? We know what we're in. We know there's levels there. Now this is the 4 hour. Now do we close below the 4 hour? Don't think so though. We touched equilibrium already. You see, this is what I want to see. So right here we're closing below still. Did we have a 1-minute inverse? Yes. 5-minute gap might get touched. Mech model cleanly. news coming within a minute. Let's see how news reacts. Got the wake up. I don't want to get into any cells just yet. Oh, 1 minute SMT. Aligned with the hourly. Let's get a sissy. Alright, I'm anticipating this dump down into the 5-minute gap now. Down into the 5-minute. There's a 5-minute gap down here. Not this one. This 5-minute gap. I'm anticipating the dump. Alright, I'm out of this trade. Bookmap just said 380, 390 is more of a draw, 400 levels. So the CE is more of a draw right now just because they do have heavier orders, and the orders that they had at 300 just lined up. So we're gonna wait. I don't like this, so this is weird. Again, this 1-minute SMT, if it could hold, we got a sissy lower than that 5-minute is for sure. Gonna get tagged. Alright, I'm gonna wait a little bit. Let's wait a little bit. I don't see shit, so. Fucking annoying. Get this sissy. Then we get the sissy. 1-minute sissy. Let's see if we got it. Let's finish this shit up. just a sweep here. Oh, we did get this ish. Is there a 2 minute? There's a 2 minute gap. But what's higher, bro? 5 minute. 5 minute continuation. CE is higher, that's about it. Tap the 5 minute instantly. I don't like this though for continuation, still super slow. This is awful. This is bad. So many relative equal lows on you guys down here. Relative equal lows down here, but we swept. Alright, yeah, we're going to the CE now. If we miss the CE, then we might just miss the CE because we still have that SMT at the high, bro. It's not convincing enough. For me, at least. This 1 hour is holding us down. targeting the CE now. It is breaking out, so I'm targeting the CE. Starting to break out, so I target the CE at 393. It's respecting this SMT crazy though. I'm gonna hold this still though. I need an SMT down here to print now. Is this VIB gonna hold this now? Is this VIB? There's a 1 minute VIB here that's kind of holding this up higher. I kind of just want to know if this is gonna keep us here. I'm out that trade. I don't know. This is weird. Is it done distributing? Are we just gonna chop up? It's not delivering. I need to see like a nice gap forward now. Is there a 15-minute gap that formed? Yep. Still SMT. Alright, there's a 15-minute gap that just formed. This shit's about to get fucking choppy, bro. Boom, 15-minute candle opened. Continuation. Can we get a continuation? Can we come down, tap the 15-minute, continue higher? Or are we done? nice V shape from here. Give us the entry. Whoa. Okay, now. We have 5-minute internal SMTs, bro. Fuck. We inverse this on the 1 minute to the upside. Targeting these 5-minute lows now. Fuck it, I'm going to these lows. I'm targeting those 5-minute lows. Do we go lower or what? Come on now. Let's get it going. All these wicks need to get disrespected. And I'm out that trade. Closing that. Knocking myself out, honestly, before I tilt. Lost 700 on the account for today. Because it was straight chop. There was no strong displacement, nothing, bro. Volume has been so low. Which is understandable. Alright, so I'm just gonna share my screen. Boom and boom. Still cool with me. Alpha 500. Cool with me. All 3 accounts, whatever. Calling that a day, bro. Yeah, this is just gonna chop for the rest of the day. This is atrocious, bro. Atrocious market conditions. So I'm just gonna clear out my chart. Just gonna clear out my charts. Yeah, nah, this PA is doggy. just gonna clear this shit out. Go on tops up actually too and clear that shit out. I need to be careful with this month because it's the type of shit that fucking tilts people to lose their accounts. The way the market is moving, it's just absorbing, moving, absorbing, moving, absorbing, moving. It's not. Yeah, like you see, sweep, move up another 20 points. We're probably gonna sweep this 5 minute, move up another 20 points. It's just, it's not good, not good. We'll see how this shit moves now, but done for the day, calling that. Should have been more cautious for my risk. I did better than usual.